Hey guys, Chef Kelly Cahoon here, welcome. Today we are going to make a cider braised ham with some honey sage glaze served over mascarpone whipped mashed sweet potatoes. Okay, so we have this beautiful ham from Snake River Farms. This one is about 9 pounds. So first things first is we're gonna score and cross hatch the top, and then we're actually gonna put cloves into each one of those sections. And we can add a little more or a little less. This does add some flavor, but mostly it just makes it look really beautiful. So we're gonna put this, I'm gonna put it in this big cast iron that I have, but you could also use a foil pan, even a sheet pan or a cookie sheet would work as long as you have a lip high enough to have about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of liquid. And I'm using right now a blush apple cider, but rosé would also be really, really great. So pour, you don't need a lot, just enough to have the base fully wet, because what this is gonna do is keep your ham really moist. We're gonna cover this really tightly with foil to kind of steam everything in here. You want it to be really tight and really secure. Okay, after we get our foil nice and tight, we're gonna stick this in a 325-degree oven. And you're just gonna let it sit in there. Usually a ham takes about 15 minutes per pound. This is about a 9-pound ham, so we're looking at about 2-ish hours. All right, guys, let's make our glaze. That is the most important part to any ham dish, is a really, really great crust or glaze. Ham is really good on its own, but when you add a little sweetness, add a little texture, it really takes it to the next level. So this is probably my favorite ham glaze I've ever made. It's a honey, brown sugar, and chai mixture. Chai is, for those of you who don't know, chai is a really great combination of spices. It has black pepper, coriander, but also has like hints of cinnamon. It's just really, really great on ham. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take some of that rosé or cider that we started with and add it to a somewhat deep pan on medium heat. At some point, this will get a little bubbly, so you don't want a pan that's too shallow. So let's put this in, along with our brown sugar. And you don't want your heat all the way up, just a medium is fine. This is a cup of honey. And what we're gonna do is just bring these first 3 ingredients to a nice boil. So once you get this to a really good bubbly, almost foamy point, we're gonna add in our chai tea, and then after another minute or 2, we're gonna add in our sage. Okay, how beautiful is that? This ham has been cooking for about 2 hours. So right now we're gonna do our first drizzle of our glaze, put it back in, keep it covered. We're gonna drizzle it again about every 20 minutes until it hits 135 with an internal temp thermometer. After that, we're gonna pour almost the rest of the glaze on top, set our oven to broil, and get that really golden crust that we've been looking for. So I peeled and boiled these really beautiful sweet potatoes, and now they are just fork tender, which means when you stick a fork or spoon in them, there's almost no resistance. They just kind of break apart and they're pretty soft. So we're gonna mash these down, not too much, but just get all the big chunks out. This is my mascarpone. Just gonna put it straight in. We're also gonna add about 3/4, half to 3/4 of this brown butter. And we're gonna stir this up again. All right, let's serve up our sweet potatoes. We're just gonna put massive globs of this into a pretty serving bowl or dish. And then we're gonna take what's left of our brown butter, pour that over the top, and finish it off with some candied nuts. And here's our side dish to go with our ham. It's been glazed. We finished, we pulled it at about 135 degrees, and it's gonna sit for another 5 minutes, so it should be just perfect at 140. You can let it go a little bit longer if you want. Our cloves are also pretty much still intact, and we have all this beautiful glaze that's just caramelized and stuck, and it is just absolute perfection. And this, my friends, is a beautiful centerpiece ham.